Happy Immigrant Heritage Month.
America was built on immigrants. I believe that we are what we are today because we are an immigrant population. And when I think of immigrants, I see strength, pride, overcoming, opportunity, and achievement. When I think of immigrants, I see people like Jean-Baptiste Poindijou, Blake, Edwidge Dantika, Marcel Bouvin.
I came 27 years ago. I came to this country to seek a better life and to provide a better quality of life for my children and to make sure they have everything in life.
I'm a very proud Haitian immigrant, and I'm very proud to have stood with my fellow immigrants so long ago to become an American citizen. I'm proud of the fact that this country is the country of immigrants, built by immigrants, and essentially led by immigrants.
I'm proud to say Happy Immigrant Heritage Month.
I am an immigrant. Happy Immigrant Heritage Month from the South family.